Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm just going to be trying out the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pomade. I'm going to be doing a full day 24-hour wear test. We're going to see how this bad boy lasts. So I got this, I believe it was $2.99 or $3.99. I'm not sure how much it was. This is what the packaging looks like, super sleek. Now I do have the shade Espresso. That probably is a little too dark for my complexion. I could probably tell you right off the bat it's a little too dark. But I'm going to do a wear test anyways. It comes with a little brush at the end, which I will be using as much as I can to go and put in my brows. Now I will say that I don't like how it has a, it's not a slanted tip. But I guess if you really wanted to, you could just chop it off. Chop off what you need to. It is kind of thick. I would probably prefer to use it as an eyeliner. That would probably be better to use it as an eyeliner. But, we'll see how it works. The one thing I will tell you, this kind of gives me, I can't think what it's called. It's like Benefits Cabrow. It's like, has the same sort of packaging as this. That's the kind of vibe it gives me. So let's hope that it is a good dupe. Woo! Now I'm just going to go ahead and spoolie my brows to make sure they're all set into place. That's the one thing I don't like about it, is that they don't have a spoolie, anywhere on the brow area. So that is what the color looks like. It's definitely really dark. I'm just going to go and give a swatch for you guys. It might actually look like a pretty good shade. So we'll see. But as I'm rubbing it on my hand, it's not moving anywhere. So that's pretty good. So I'm just going to go and we'll see how this works. I'm not really sure how this brush will work, but hopefully it works. I'm not digging into the product, but I am kind of swiping, and this is what it looks like after doing that. And you can see I'm not getting like a lot of in-your-face color payoff with the brow product, which I really do like. That would be really good for beginners. Anything for beginners, I'm all for. Completely all for, because I'd rather have a brow product that you need to work up instead of something that's in your face. So wow, okay, so maybe this might be the perfect shade because it actually matches my brow hairs pretty darn well. Now I'm just going to go and take a spoolie from just like any brow pencil I have and just spoolie everything through. That is a really good color. I was actually afraid that might be a little too dark, but it's a good color match for my natural hair color. So now I'm just going to go and speed through the other side. Now what I noticed as I'm using it, now the brush is starting to slant a little bit, so it's making it a little bit easier to really define my brows. The one thing I don't like about it is that this is not thin enough. It's just not. I would like it to be a little bit thinner, but the formula, it's not a dry, it's a pretty dry formula. It's not as they say it is, but it's definitely looking buildable. So we'll see how this wears throughout the day and 24 hours. I will do a end of the day check-in to see how it lasts.
Alright you guys, it's not the end of the day, it's like the next day, and I am wearing it again on my brows. I really have to admit, I really do love this product. It did not last 24 hours, it did wind up wiping away, as you will see in the clip of me, just chewing or with a fork or whatever is in my hand, I really do like this brow pomade. I think it's really, really good. I wish they would have extended their shades as much as the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, or even more in depth than that, but they did it. They only have like 3 shades, like light, medium, and espresso. I have the darkest one. The shade's really good. It matches my natural hair like almost spot on. The medium brown I think will give my brows more of a, I feel like it'll give them more of a natural look where it's like a little bit lighter than my natural hair color, because normally your brows are like a shade lighter than your hair color, I think is what it is, or they're darker. It's one or the other. They're usually like opposites. I don't think they're actually supposed to be the same color, but whatever. I really do like this. Now, I did use just this tip brush to apply it, and I think it applied really, really nice. I think that might be why I like the color so much, is because of that brush. My opinion may differentiate if I do like it with a, if I do it with a slanted tip brush. Maybe I'll do that sometime in a separate video, but for now I really do like it. It doesn't stay 24 hours unfortunately, but it did last a long time, and the color is very natural looking. It's actually really, really ashy, which I'm surprised, because normally espressos are very, very just brown. They're not ashy, they're just kind of brown, and I'm really happy that this is like a natural shade of brown that actually works for my skin tone. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and stay tuned for my future videos. Bye guys!